What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be talking about online arbitrage and how you can make money by buying stuff online to sell on Amazon and eBay. So there's one tool that I use. It's a sourcing software. You don't have to use it, but it's going to cut your time tremendously when searching for items to sell online. And it's tactical arbitrage. It's kind of expensive. It's around $100 a month. And but what it's going to do, you're just going to type in a website, and you can basically search everything on that website within a few hours. And it's going to give you stuff you can make money on within a couple hours after searching the whole website. So, I mean, you can search tens of thousands of products in a few hours, where, I mean, you can find profitable products searching yourself, but it's going to take more time. And with having all those items, you can search for the best ones. If you're just searching yourself, then you might be like pressured to buy certain items that aren't making you as much money. So with it being $100 a month, they do have a 7-day free trial. And a lot of people say that in the first 7 days they pay for the whole year in profit. So they make like $1,200 within the first 7 days. I really didn't do that because I don't have the money to buy that much stuff. But I'd say probably I'm on my second month now. I've used it in the past, so I kind of know how to use it. I have some experience with it, but I just started up the subscription again. I'm on the second month, and I probably paid, say I probably paid for like 8 months, so I probably made like $800, and I probably spent around 600, and I would say I probably made it like 600, so probably paid for like 6 months worth of use for the software. Keep going up. Once I get my cash flow, once I get some more money stacked up, I'm going to be able to buy a lot more using this software. So you just really have to find certain websites that not a lot of people are using. So you're not really going to find a whole lot on like Walmart.com that you can sell online, that you can sell on Amazon. You're not really going to find a whole lot on Target.com. People do buy a lot, but there's just so many people searching those websites that it's going to be difficult to find profitable items. And if you do find them, they might tank in price by the time that you get them in the mail. So my advice is just to search for websites that not a lot of people are using. I mean, they have like hundreds of websites that you can use the software on, and then they have websites. If you know how to do it, you can add your own websites to the software. You would be the only person searching those websites, so you might be able to find tons of items that you could sell online with no competition. So that's just my advice for using tactical arbitrage and selling online. Just for some like beginners, with online arbitrage you are waiting to get the most of the time, you're going to get it shipped to your house, and then you're going to have to pack the items up and send them to Amazon. So that might take like a week, possibly, to get your items, to get the items shipped to your house, and then it might take another week for it to get sent to Amazon and get checked in and everything. So you're looking at 2 weeks where the item could fluctuate in price. And that's 2 weeks where your money is tied up in items and you're not making, you're not flipping that money, you're not increasing your cash flow. All that money is tied up for 2 weeks. So I'm trying to get into online arbitrage. I'm trying to get into retail arbitrage a little bit more. Once I get some money built up,